I never thought I'd say this, but I've actually stopped reaching for my AirPods Pro lately. Instead, I've been using these, the Tozo NC9. Now, I've been using them for things like when I'm commuting, like work calls, walking outside, and just everyday listening. And at some point I realized I'm not missing my AirPods Pro the way that I thought I would. So in this video, I kind of want to talk about why I made the switch, what surprised me the most, and who these earbuds actually make sense for. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you guys are new to the channel, hi there. Let's get right into it. So inside the box, you're gonna get the Tozo NC9 earbuds, the charging case, extra ear tips, a USB-C charging cable, and the paperwork. Everything as expected. Now, the first thing I noticed is the case. It's compact, easy to carry, and it has an LED power display on the front. It really does stand out. And I didn't realize how useful that would be until I started using this daily. Being able to quickly see your battery level is actually really convenient. Something that I kind of wish the AirPods Pro had, but unfortunately they don't. Now, the earbuds themselves feel super lightweight and comfortable. They have an ergonomic in-ear design that fits securely without feeling like they're pushing too deep into your ears. And look, I've worn these for long commute calls and long work sessions when I'm working in my studio on YouTube videos like this, or maybe some light workouts, and they stay in place without constant adjusting.
Plus, with the IPX8 rating,
sweat or light rain is not anything that I would worry about. Now, what really surprised me is the noise canceling. The Tozo NC9 uses hybrid active noise canceling, which essentially reduces noise by up to like negative 45 decibels. And usually on my commutes, when I'm like on a call or something, background noise like traffic is noticeably reduced. Low frequency sounds especially get cut down really well. Now, of course, with having noise canceling, we also get transparency mode, which I use when I am outside and I need to hear things, like if I'm like crossing the street or anything like that, without taking the earbuds out. That's when I use transparency mode. Sound quality has also been solid across the board, right? That's the important thing about earbuds. You get deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs without anything sounding harsh. And they also work well, again, for music, podcasts, calls. If you're watching lots of videos like myself, they're great. Now, for calls, the built-in ENC microphones, they also help reduce background noise, and my voice comes out pretty clear. I've taken lots of work calls and meetings throughout like my commutes or when I'm at home with these without any complaints on the other end. Now, there is a thing I discovered later, which is a Tozo app. It pairs instantly, and inside you get 32 EQ presets. So if I want extra bass for like the gym or for a flatter curve for podcasts, I just tap the card. You can also drag the ANC slider yourself or pick a community EQ that someone else already perfected. And of course, there's a little bonus with this. The app lets you remap the touch controls and toggle a low latency mode for gaming. Handy if you hate the default taps like I do. It essentially takes 10 seconds to set up. Then you literally forget it's even there. Look, I've tested a lot of earbuds, and battery life is another big reason that I keep grabbing these over my AirPods. You get up to 59 hours of total playtime with the charging case, which means I can go days without thinking about charging. And of course, there's USB-C, and it's fast charging, makes it easy to top up. And again, the LED display makes battery management simple. I didn't stop using my AirPods because they're bad. Look, they are good, but I stopped using them because these fit my daily routine better. You get strong noise canceling, you get great battery life, a secure fit, and solid sound quality, all at a much more affordable price, much more affordable than those AirPods Pros. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, maybe AirPods may make sense for you. But for me, like, I'm deep in the Apple ecosystem, and these Tozo NC9s, I think, are a better choice. If you want reliable ANC earbuds for everyday use, especially without paying a premium, yeah, the Tozo NC9s are gonna be a really great and strong option. I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out, as well as Tozo's official website in the description down below. But that's been it for me, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you all in the next episode.